In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do options on ETrade. By the end, you'll know how to navigate the platform, read the options chain, choose a contract, and place an order with confidence. First, log into your account. You can use the standard ETrade platform or Power ETrade. Both will work, but Power ETrade is designed with options in mind and tends to make the process more intuitive, especially when you're comparing contracts or building strategies. Next, use the search bar to find the stock or ETF you want to trade. Type in a ticker symbol such as AAPL, TSLA, SPI, or VOO. Once the quote page loads, you're ready to access the options market for that symbol. Open the Options tab. This brings up the options chain, which lists all available contracts. You'll see calls on the left and puts on the right. The chain typically shows important columns like the bid, ask, last price, volume, and open interest. The bid and ask are especially important because they show the current trading range and help you set a fair price. Now choose your contract by selecting an expiration date and a strike price. The expiration date is when the contract ends. More time generally means a higher premium, but gives the trade more room to work. The strike price is the level at which you have the right to buy or sell the stock, depending on the option type. Consider your outlook and time frame as you pick these. Closer expirations and strikes near the current stock price will behave more sensitively to price changes. When you're ready to place the trade, decide on your strategy. If you believe the price will go up, buy a call by clicking the ask price for your chosen call contract and setting the action to buy to open. If you expect the price to go down, buy a put by clicking the ask on the put side and choosing buy to open. Selling options is more advanced. For income strategies like covered calls, set the action to sell to open, ensuring you understand the obligations and collateral requirements. Set your order type. Market orders seek immediate fills but can execute at less favorable prices during fast markets. Limit orders let you control the price you pay or receive, which is generally recommended. A helpful tip is to start near the midpoint between the bid and ask, then adjust if needed. Finally, review everything carefully. Use Preview to double-check the ticker, expiration, strike, quantity, action, and price, then click Place Order to submit. That's it. Your options order is on its way.